Alright, what's going on, folks? Moving picker back. I'm gonna knock out a couple of videos tonight and see if I can even pick anything. First, go check out Discord. Link is in the description below. A lot of great people there. Great growing community. Come check us out. Also, I believe it was the last video I did, I said I was going to start linking it up in the corner, like over there or somewhere. Well, YouTube sucks. They want me to have 1,000 subs or 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time per month. Only having about 7 people that actually watch my channel and watch my videos. I'll probably never get that unless I start posting a whole lot more videos. And I don't have enough locks to do that. So I won't be able to do that, but the link will still always be in the description below. But the one thing I can do is I can link the channels who I get locks from and who the locks are made by up in the corner. So up in the corner right now should be Bearsback, because that's who this lock is made by. This one is Toothless by Bearsback. And then for those who want to see what the key looks like. And then next should be linked Steel Pinnings, because Steel Pinnings is who I got the lock from. So we'll go and toss this in the vise, and hopefully if everything works out, I'll be able to pick this lock, and once I start uploading it, I'll be able to get everything, get all the little flags and tabs and everything else created for this lock. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm doing a bit of 3D printing. Got a couple of things I need to 3D print, and I've kind of put it off until the last minute. I start working again tomorrow night, and yeah, I put it off until the last minute, so either way I was going to be up all night. But yeah, that one, it's kind of a shot myself in the foot type deal. Alright, I don't like that. Sure, none of y'all tuned in to hear my slightly buzzed ramblings, so I will just go ahead and continue with picking a lock, hopefully. Fingers crossed I actually can do it. We're gonna go short hook. Even though I've seen the key and I know everything is pretty much all the way up top, we're still gonna go short hook. I might try to rake this off camera and see if I can get into it that way. I'm sure none of y'all tune in to, well, the few people I do have tune in, I'm sure none of y'all tune in to see me rake locks open. Come on. If I was still working with the locksmith I used to work with, it would be a different story. I would try raking first and then figure out to pick it later on. But that's because it's more of a speedy thing. You need to get in quick, and you know, people don't want to have you just jacking around with their lock, and you know, they could be in the house in 5 seconds versus 30 minutes. Lots of spools in this one. I'm gonna guess and say there's probably a lot of spools and a lot of counter milling. Back off tension a little bit. Oop, that was too much. Now let's try going the other way. I don't think Bearsback watches my channel, but if you do, good luck. Putting up quite a fight. I feel like counter rotation, but I keep slipping off the tip of the pin. Alright. Something is not happy up in there. Alrighty. It's gotta be close. Oh, I thought that was it for a second. Come on. Something fell. Need a little bit more lift. There it is. I was wondering if I wasn't gonna have to cut the video. Alright. Let's see. Let's grab that. Of course, it would be a flathead screwdriver. Oh, there you are. Too many little side projects going on. I have tools scattered everywhere. Alright. Put that up before I try to lose it again. Of course, I need a shim. And of course, I don't know where my shims are. I think I found them. Oh, I found one. Not the best looking one, but hopefully it'll work. Alright, and out you come. One of these days I'll learn how to properly edit videos so I can fast forward through the boring parts of my picking. Which if it continues this way, I'll probably end up having just to fast forward all the way to the end and let you just see the pins. Let's see. As I figured, undercuts on 1, 2, 4, and 5, and threads on 3. Tweezers, there you are. That'll definitely grab some undercut. All kinds of crazy sharp edges on these pins. Alright, let's get the last one from the back. And they're all the same springs. They are copper springs. Try not to bore y'all any more than I already have. But that's what we're looking at. That's what Bearsback has in this lock for us. Let me move that light. Alright, let's try that again. There we go. And that's what's in the lock from Bearsback. That is toothless. And like I said, I'll see if I can get the little info box or whatever it is up in the corner to come up where I can link to other people's YouTube channels. Seems like I can from what I saw, but figure YouTube will probably tell me no, you can't after I start it. Until next time, folks, catch you later.